Hey guys, if you're on this video right now, you're looking for a legitimate way to make $275 per day with YouTube Shorts. And if that's the case, then you are on the right page, because I promise you, when you get the steps that I'm about to show you in this video right, you're going to be able to travel the world. And literally it's on a Monday, and I am chilling in the south of Turkey right now shooting this video for you. And that's what it gets to be able to do for you. You can travel when you want, with whomever you want, whenever you want, okay? So if that's important to you and that's what you're looking to do, pay attention to every word that I say on this video and do not skip a step. It's 4 simple steps, okay? So before we get into it, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. And also, if you are looking for a legitimate way to make $10,000 a month or more working online, then you can simply click the link below, and it's going to take you to a short video which explains exactly what I did in order to get you there. Okay, so enough with the housekeeping. Let's get into the 4 simple steps that you can take in order to make money with YouTube Shorts. Step number 1, you gotta pick a niche, okay? It's important that you pick a niche because you literally get rich in your niche, okay? So you don't want to be a generalist, you want to be a specialist, okay? And in order for you to be a specialist, you have to figure out products and services that people spend their time with. And the 3 big ones are: 1, make money online. That's a huge niche. If you're on this video right now, chances are you're probably interested in learning how to make money online. So that's definitely a big niche that you might want to focus on. The second one is health and fitness. People want to get fit, they want to get healthy, they want to feel good about themselves, because that is just a key part. Without health, you can't have wealth. And my personal favorite, the third one, is the dog niche, okay? A lot of people love their pets, love their dogs, and will pay top dollar for them in order to maintain their health and their happiness, and also their, being able to like train them and things of that nature. People are gonna pay top dollar for that. So those are the 3 niches I would focus on if you're looking to create or find a niche to actually start making money with YouTube Shorts. Now, the next thing you want to do is step number 2. Now, step number 2 is really critical because you want to actually find an affiliate product which you can promote, okay? Affiliate products are huge, okay, in this industry, and there's a lot of different websites that you can go on to. One of the biggest ones is clickbank.com. It's literally a hub for some of the most prolific affiliate products that you can promote, and it's very easy as far as someone new who just wants to get started. So the first thing that you want to do when it comes to that is you want to go on clickbank.com. You want to look for a product that matches your market to match. So if you're in the make money online niche, you want to find a good product that you can actually promote inside of clickbank.com. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to create an affiliate link. Once you have this affiliate link, you can literally grab that link, and your job as an affiliate is to send quality traffic to that link. So, for instance, if you're on the make money online niche and it's a product and services on how to make money, let's say on YouTube, for instance, well, it's really simple. You simply have that product, and your affiliate owner is going to give you a commission for sending quality traffic there. And you want to look for products that have anywhere between 50 to 75% commissions, because that's really going to pay you. And a bonus tip is if you can find a high ticket commission product, that's going to be even better, because let's say, would you rather sell a product for $100 and get $75, or would you rather sell a product for $1,000 and get $500? So the better you do on finding those products, which, like I said, if you go to clickbank.com, that's one of them. Another place to really go to is if you've already bought the product yourself, look on their website and see if they actually offer affiliate programs, because you'll be surprised. If you just go all the way to the bottom of a website, you can see if they have a partnership program. And if they do, you can sign up for it and promote for it, especially if you've gotten results with that product, because you're going to be able to speak with a more authoritative tone when you're actually leveraging and using Shorts. Okay, now the next thing is you want to actually create the video. With YouTube Shorts, it's really simple. All you have to do is create an under 60-second video and promoting that product or service, and you can make a really short, informative topic about that product and service. So, like, for instance, 4 ways to make money with YouTube Shorts. Step 1, create a find a niche. Step 2, pick a product. Step 3, you want to create the video, and then step 4, you want to upload that video. So those could be the 4 steps that you can create that video for, and then have that video at the end linking to your product and service. Okay, so now that you have that under 60-second video, the next thing that you want to do, and last thing you want to do, is you want to upload that video to YouTube. And it's really important that you pay attention to metadata, okay? And with metadata, it's really simple. It's your title, it's your thumbnail, and it's your description. You want to let YouTube know what your niche is about so they can promote it to other people. And then the last thing you want to do is at the very side of your title, you want to write #shorts. That's going to inform YouTube that that's what your video is about, so it can actually put it with the other shorts video. Then the last thing you want to do, which is the most important thing, is you want to have your link that you created with your affiliate product, and you want to put that inside of the description so that the people who will watch your shorts videos will actually be able to then buy your product. Now, not everyone will buy your product, but the ones who do, that's when it's going to be profitable for you, okay? And then I actually have a bonus tip for you right now that I didn't advertise, the 5 steps that you can actually leverage in order to make $275 a day with YouTube Shorts is this. And before we get into it, if you got value, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an update, like videos just like this. And also, like I said before, if you're looking to make $10,000 a month or more, you know, working from home, leveraging YouTube, then I have a very informative and important video that I literally use that changed my life, and it's at the bottom of this description. If you go to it, watch it. It's a free training, and it'll explain everything that you need to learn in order to make money with YouTube. And so step number 5, the 5th and final step that you need in order to really make money with YouTube Shorts, is you want to create a capture page. You want to be able to capture your audience, and by simply having some kind of feel good, not even feel good, I guess the word I'm looking for is you want to have some kind of bonus offer that you can get with it, something you can give away for free that is of value. Some people call it a free gift, others use tripwires, but the main point is you just want to collect their email address so you can build the list. And if you can build a list of qualified people interested in your product and service, then you can always promote to them at a later time. And it usually takes anywhere between 7 to 10 exposures before someone will actually buy your product and service. And more importantly, once you find a buyer, that means the likelihood is they'll buy not just once, but they'll buy twice or even 3 times. Now think about it. If you're watching this video and you've been on the Make Money Online niche for longer than 3 months, chances are you've bought in at least 1 or 2 products. And if you've been there for a year, chances are you probably bought 4 or even 5 products. So as you can see, knowing from your own consumer behavior, you've probably bought more products, and the likelihood is if you have a niche of people who are interested in that subject, in that topic, in that an idea, then they're going to buy more products and services. And the only way you can continue to resell them is if you create an email list by capturing their name and their information, right, and their email, and then you can always talk to them at a later date. So those are literally the 5 ways and steps that you can make money with YouTube Shorts. So I highly encourage you to follow those steps in the order in which I gave it, and you potentially could be making $275 a day. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.